Hello and welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today in this video we are going to talk about how we can download Google Chrome browser on our PC. So let's get started. So first and foremost, we need to go and click on the search, which is on the taskbar on the left side of the screen. There we need to type Edge, will redirect us to this kind of page. Now all we need to do is type in the URL of Google Chrome, that is http://www.google.com/chrome/. After we do so, we will be redirected to this page. Now we have to click on the first link and we will end up in this interface. Here simply we have to click on download Chrome option. After we click it, the page will start to download your Chrome on your device. So to download the Chrome, it will try to connect to the internet. So after properly checking the internet, it will wait for download. If everything goes well, the Chrome will start downloading. After it downloads, it will start installing in your device. So as the Chrome gets installed in your PC, it will lead you to this kind of interface. Now the final step is just signing into your account. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. See you in our next video.